about you, but calendars are essential. It helps see your weekly to-do list, day-to-day calendar appointments, school activities, family gatherings, and even your child's school homework schedule and more. But I finally found a system that works for me. That is what I'm going to show you and share with you today. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banis, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. Since I use Google Calendar the most, let me show you how to manage your schedule, appointments, and events with Google Calendar. So once you have access your Google account through the website or the app, it is time to create an event by clicking on the desirable date and time in your calendar. This is where you're going to add details such as the event title, location, start and end times, and description. If you want, you can add a reminder to your event to receive notifications ahead of time, or you can also invite others to this calendar event. For those who have places to go, events, or something they want to remind themselves to do regularly, you can set these items to repeat on a regular schedule, such as weekly meetings, your family weekly activities, or monthly reminders. That way you don't have to input this information weekly because you would have customized the reoccurrence pattern and end date to meet your needs ahead of time. Have multiple calendars for different aspects of your life, such as work, personal, or family. What I like is that you can toggle calendars on and off, which basically means to click on or off for a clear view of a specific event. You can assign colors to events or calendars for easy visual organization. I find that it helps you to see the different types of events and appointments, but also, in my case, to see who the event is for. Therefore, I assign colors for events and appointments that are for my husband, my son, or for me. Because the Google Calendar is my family digital center point of what's going on in our lives, it is important to share the calendar with them. It helps to coordinate schedules and availability so we're all on the same page. All you need to do is set permissions to control who can view or edit your calendar. If your family all have different calendar preferences, you can sync your Google calendars to other calendar services like Outlook or iCal to keep all your schedules in one place. We talked about how families can share digital calendars and coordinate schedules, plan events, and keep track of everyone's activities with Google Calendar. If a digital tool no longer works for you or your family, don't be afraid to change it to match how your family is right now. Organizing for you is different from organizing for others or with kids. Remember, you have control to get organized, feel organized, and be organized. To find out more about organizing all aspects of your life, you can check out my blog, cityofcreativedreams.com. It has a jaw-dropping free resource library filled with organizing printables and my organizing resource lounge with my favorite things. If you want to stop hiding your clutter and make your home break-worthy, check out my custom home organizing design service called Inspired by Organizing. All my social media accounts are under the same name at City of Creative Dreams, and or if you want to check out Inspired by Organizing, they're also under the same name. I would love it for you to come over to one of my pages to say hi and have fun organizing. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.